Morning guys, it's Marlon here. Today I'll be cleaning windows on this Comedica Plaza that I have. It's the front entrance, and I just finished the side right here. I'm about to go into the back now, and then I'll go inside. Yesterday I had this pressure wash the walkway. You can see it's pretty white now compared to the yesterday. It's very black all around here. So and that's what I've been doing today. I able to finish up. And right there I did clean the gutters too. As you can see, it's pretty white. Alright guys, I go back and finish the work. Talk to you guys later. Have a great weekend.